Lester B. Beho. He is a first place duo junior C. Albay Grassroots Dance Sport Tour and second place solo junior C. Albay Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Fourth place solo junior Cha-Cha Albay Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Third place solo junior Rumba Albay Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Third place solo junior Jive Albay Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. First place duo junior C Latin first quarter Bicol Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Third place solo junior 2C first quarter Bicol Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Third place solo junior 2 Jive first quarter Bicol Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Third place solo junior 2 Cha-Cha first quarter Bicol Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Fourth place junior 2 Rumba first place quarter Grassroots Dance Sport Tour. Coach Hannah and Rocco.
AB and B. Beho.
Gold medalists, Palarong People 2025. Grade E, Paso Doble. Grade A, 5 dances. Grade E, Samba. Grade E, Cha-Cha-Cha. Grade E, Rumba. Silver medalist, Palarong People 2025. Grade E, Jive. Gold medalist, Davao City Selection Meet. Grade E, Jive. Grade E, Samba. Grade E, Rumba. Grade E, Cha-Cha-Cha. Grade E, Paso Doble. Gold medalist, Dance Sports Competition, Pacific Mall, Legazpi. Solo Junior 2C, Cha-Cha-Cha. Solo Junior 2C, Rumba. Solo Junior 2C, Jive. Solo Junior C, Latin. Solo Youth, Cha-Cha-Cha. Solo Youth, Rumba. Solo Youth, Jive. Solo Youth, Latin. Solo Youth, C, Latin. Silver medalist, Dance Sports Competition, Pacific Mall, Legazpi. Youth A, Latin. Youth C, Latin. Youth B, Latin. Bronze medalist, Dance Sports Competition, Pacific Mall, Legazpi. Solo Youth Waltz. Gold medalist, Coron Festival Dance Sports Competition. Silver medalist, Philippine Dance Sports Federation Incorporated, Junior D. Bronze medalist, Philippine Dance Sports Federation Incorporated, Junior.